Alright, time for an update on the 350C clutch installed. Action clutch kit 350C. I have it on the lift. I removed the exhaust. I removed the drive shaft. This is aftermarket. All needed a 16mm one side, 14mm the other nut, plastic cover, 10mm bolts, drive shaft, 17mm socket and 17mm open wrench. Slide it out, pry it out. As you can see, drive shaft off, this off. You come out right off from here. Not to remove the transmission. The bolts are, big bolts are 17mm, which is from the starter all the way up. The bottom ones, if you have the bottom ones, 14mm, which is going to the bottom. That's why you have to remove the little plastic that covers right here, which is that one. 10mm, remove it, and then 14mm bolts, like this one right here, like this one right here, this one right here. The one's for a starter. A 10mm that goes from the cover, which is this one right here. So that's all you need so far. This one's for a transmission, 17mm. You will need a long extensions. This one, 17mm swivel. Another long extension. You're gonna need a breaker bar or a big ratchet because they're gonna be tight. So that's about it. What I'm gonna do right now, since all the transmission bolts are off, the hardest one is the ones all the way on top, right in the middle of the transmission. There's two 17s. The harness, all you have to do is unplug whatever you have to unplug. It's easier for me to remove the 10mm, hold the brackets, 10mm here, another 10 here, another one here, on here. So once I lower it, I just unplug the one from here. I'm gonna put a bag in here because I'm not draining the oil. What else? I had to unconnect this one to unplug it. I'm waiting on it. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take the car down, and I'm gonna release and remove the shifter. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna take the car down, remove the shifter, and we continue. Once I do that, I'll put the car up again, and then now time to remove the transmission support. I'm gonna put a transmission jack, which is this one right here. Hold it still, and then remove the bad boy connections. Slave cylinder. Is that the name of it? I think yeah. But anyways, so I'll be right back. Let me take them down. I'll show you the top. Okay, car is down. What I'm about to do right now is remove the center piece in there. All you're gonna need is pry this off. Shit. Gonna pry this out. Boom. This one, you're gonna spin it. Spin, spin, spin until I get tired. This fucking door almost smashed my foot. There's no respect now. Nowadays, there's no more respect from the cars towards us. Okay, so we have this shit up. We're gonna have another adapter here. So I'm gonna have to get it out. But yeah, if you didn't have that adapter, all you do pull it up, and it's gonna have a ribbon in the back. Let me get a flashlight. Okay, so this adapter I told you. If you see the thread is on top, you have some leverage on the bottom. The little pliers or whatever. If you have stock shifter, you don't have to worry about it. Let me get it out. Okay, so I have the little spacer half, which is that one in there. See the little ribbon I told you? This is the one, and that one there. All you have to do is push it to the side. Now you have space there. Now we have some type of Mickey Mouse insulation here. Permanent sit. Now the 10mm, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll get the cover off. I have a plug in here, charter snake. Let's move it to the side. And let me go for it. Let me remove those 10mm. So I got it off. Cover, plastic, insulation. That's how it looks. We could start dropping it. If the car, the engine mount, transmission hoist, slave cylinder, and
on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Casting on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regret. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint